Welcome to my Life Skills channel. Remember caricatures in newspapers or even these days cartoons? It depends on the topics from kids to elders. All love cartoons, even memes. What these things are? These things are creative instinct. Even in leadership courses, they are teaching creative instinct. That's why my today's topic is creative instinct. But remember, it is not only for leaders or cartoonists, but in our everyday life it is necessary. How? Let's discuss. Hello, I'm Nandini Das, academician, author and citizen journalist. So now what we'll do, we'll briefly discuss what is creativity, what is instinct, why it is important in day-to-day life. Then in the end, I'll tell you 3 ways how you can practice your creative instinct. So what is creativity? Creativity, everybody knows that, a person who has the ability to innovate something, to build something on original ideas. Even I have a whole video on creativity. I'll give the link in the description. You can watch that. And what is intuition? Intuition is your gut feeling, right? Your instinctiveness, it is your intuition about something immediately, and when you merge this creativity and instinct, it becomes creative instinct. Based on that, you take decisions. And these days our lifestyle have been changed. That's why it is really necessary for everybody, not only for leaders or tech persons. Take for instance this generative AI. Generative AI has not eaten up creativity. You, the person who is giving command to this generative AI to write something, draw something, do something for you. So you are, it is generative AI, you just think about it, it is working for you. Generative AI is not your master. You are giving command prompt to do certain things to generative AI, and it is doing for you, making your productivity by saving your time. But you have this generative instinct, and that according to that what command you are giving, it is creating for you, right? So that's why this generative instinct is important for everybody in this life. It is not only, take for instance, when you are using your mobile phone, even to crop an image, to using other apps, every day you use this creative instinct. Even for making these memes, right? You use creative instinct. Immediately certain thing happen and you use this memes, you see those memes, right? So now you know that what is creative instinct and how it is important in your day-to-day life. Now coming to how to practice. Number one, practice how you can do that. Take some conscious intuition and take decision based on that. Take for instance, you saw something, suppose you want to write a poem. You saw something on the street, maybe person or some incident. Immediately you write a poem, that poem on that. Maybe you can tell 5 of your students or post that on the social networking sites. But remember, everybody knows that, how should not be offending somebody or some languages, all those things, that. After that you see the reaction. I am not telling if you are doing something right. Maybe some people, they don't like that. Creative instinct is not telling you to be a people pleaser, but you will know that where you stand, how your decision is. You can weigh on that, right? So like that you can take creative instinct. Now, this is number one practice. Number two practice is do something immediately. Suppose you are walking on the street, you saw a t-shirt. Your creative instinct said that you have to buy that. You went and you bought that. After coming that, what you have to see, whether what you saw, that creativity in that t-shirt, maybe the collar, maybe how it looks, maybe the print or whatever written over that, anything. But after coming, you have to see the size, you have to see the material, it is good or not, whether the price is matching to it or not, whether that color is suitable on you or not. That based on that you will know that whether your creative instinct, the immediately you took that decision, whether it is correct or not, right? This is your second practice. Then number 3 practice is mostly for when you are using technology, whether you are a graphic designer, whether you are making a meme or something else, whatever you are making, then you know that how to use your creative instinct and use the technology for you, and the outcome will be beautiful, right? So now you know that how this creative instinct is important for you. When you practice these things, then in your life when it needs to take something big decision, you can use your creative instinct and make some right decision, good decision, right? I hope you like this topic and this is really useful for you. If you have something else, then you can ask in the comment box or add in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.